Not enough done there
Please
too.
subscribe to YouTube channel. You see it. Just please subscribe and give me all the support. And thank you. You see it. Just subscribe to YouTube channel as always. As you pray.
I don't forget to. Two young people them man. But then just a start all them people. I told little bird them my mother feed the pit them. I will put them away them blacks. Man, the next month you ever come over so blocks. And next month they don't bush up already. Bird them go and feed and everything. People on the ground block and then up now actually. Hope a white thing. Morning dove. Eh? Blocks now go for you blocks. Right now start with you blocks. Do the people on the big morning dove. Seeing the people, bird want breeder now. So me gonna take a shot off and people want kill him now. Big of hurt people, just please subscribe to the channel. Him fly on the ground, so I'm gonna go down on him and so me can get a shot. Please stay tuned. I hope I them over here people. People, when they want to come over, we can shot that bird still. Because I see bird now have the little pitney. You see it? Them young, they have the little pitney. I just see them today. I see them today. You see it so. They're young and everything. So she go and ground over there too. Oh, now I want to have a ground over now, big money dove me and go for. But then fly up to the people, all by them now. People. So when the people seeing the fly, now I'm go after him. Flying young in pitney, so we not really go after him. Young bird that. Blacks. Me know some see them over so. Eh, you want with the pitney? You know the people, all heap of them over here. All heap of them. All heap of them. So subscribe, stay tuned to the channel. You hear the blacks? You hear the? Where's one they did the blacks? Near upon him. Bigger one with the pitney them. Right upon him need there and need them near. But me never want to shot him because you have me pitney them. You have me pitney them. You want to shot off man. Me know that miss still. That miss. Yeah, they want the cock man one. Shut off for them man one day. You have me pitney down. We never want to start for him. People, today is a good day. Same way still hunter for some bird. Shot one little while and ground down. I want to put him up. See my people. Bombard people. Look there. He head off him body. People. He head off him body. Look there. Can't see, I can see blood still. Look there. Head off him body, people. Look there. Monkey does legal. Afraid of this, so head off him body, people. Alan. Kill one now. Yeah, dog. He come off him body. Eh? Come see free now. People. Look, he big bird he have him pitting people. Me not kill him now. But taking it off him body. So one day, so another bird there, so people, my own thing done. So please stay tuned, subscribe. Now no more video to now no more bird tool next month and them day. I'm finally celebrating of them pitney, everything, but because me aware already, just going on two of them and turn home. You see it? You want two white wing idea. Yeah, people. Just please subscribe, stay tuned to the video. So I'm bird him, I kill him. Watch the people, big river done this, some people. See it there? Big river, man. I'm going up the right there, but before me I spot him fly off. So I want to find him. See the big river done this, so stay tuned, subscribe. Me more people subscribe, man. Like up the video. So I want to shot on a big bird them. I'm going to shot on them. People want to go pro. I get people GoPro now. By next month I'll see that. I get it. And I'll show you how I shot the bird them. You see it? See I barefoot me now. We just shot the bird. Quiet movement in the bush. If I shot the bird, I tell you, the bird upon the ground. One big white thing upon the ground. White thing see me. Go on near place I whip a bush them so I can hide and shot him. So I take off my shoes and I take a tiptoe up on my toe. I tell you, say, yo, bird now, see me I go. So I go near him and bend down so. And I say, yo, I take a shot now. The bird see me and fly with my master. Me bex. Then he go on near place again, me run off him and go near to him. I just sideway upon the tick. So me not really see him full body, you see it? So me the side near to him. And I say, yo, how me take that shot here? Alright, I say, alright, so as him ready to fly off, now I shot him. Rotted, bird gone, father. Shut off him, but he not catch him, you see it? Bird gone. I'm fly come over, so but I can't see him. No, shut off him. I try to catch one of them today, man. At least one of them. Try, me I try. You know, I tell you, me no promise you, so I catch one of them. You see it? I try. But stay tuned still. See you, the people. See there? Come on. Everybody. Subscribe to the channel. Yes, somebody down gully blocks. Somebody down gully, you know? Fair now. Black, somebody that's not black, somebody there now. Shot him. Hey, video now. Take a shot. Zoom up on him now.
Like you touch him, man.
I go closer.
Quick kill, lad. You know that? I went gone. Wait. Oh. Gone from the bamboo. Gone from the bamboo. I can fly. You gone from bamboo oil. You gone. You gone from the bamboo. You gone, man.
Oh. How for them? Huh? That's it. That's all. Huh? They start digging. What is it? Buff what? Cheap part wall. Blocks. So check it so a couple of them out right now.
One night.
Can be on day too.
No, man, I can't be right now. How you that? Hold on, let me see my wall.
Yeah, you can keep what's up, man. Go straight through.
Stop that one. You see me?
Yeah.
Stop that one there and put it back at the top one. Yeah? Wait, I'll come back tonight.